Okay, so for today what we're going to do is show you a quick little thing about how do you get in the car if it is locked. So if your key fob is dead, do remember these do have batteries in them, so like any battery, they will die eventually. So very easy to do. On these keys, like the one for the X5, on the side here there is a button. Click that, this pulls out, but now where do you put it? So they're actually hidden on these cars. So if we look underneath, that is where you insert this. This pops up and pops this cover off, and inside of that is your lock cylinder. So now, let me show you on the X3, because they've changed it. So on the X3, you'll notice the handle is all one piece except for this little oval right here. Same thing, we'll take this out. But what we're gonna do instead is hold on to this. You actually will pull the handle out a little bit, put your finger inside the handle, and pop this cover out. And underneath the cover is your lock cylinder to get in the car.